Generating six-figure revenue on LinkedIn. Sounds like a dream or a scheme, right? There are so many ways to get distracted when you set out to generate revenue online, and you need to stick to a system that will make your time worth it. So, what would that six-figure system look like? Spending hours on LinkedIn? Running ads? Well, no. It comes from understanding the platform, refining your offer, and broadcasting it on LinkedIn to make an impact. When you get it right, you'll have consistent calls, less time wasted teaching people what they need, and clarity on how to market and sell your services online that feels more productive, successful, scalable, with actual tangible results. We've been generating six-figure revenue on LinkedIn for years, perfecting the system, removing the distractions and all the BS, and then creating what we call six-figure LinkedIn. Our specially built program is for professionals who seriously want to win business on LinkedIn. It all starts with creating a high converting offer, crafting a compelling message, and identifying who are your most valuable clients. Imagine this message in all of your content, drawing prospects in, reaching out to you, and getting excited about what you have to offer. Not just that, we will teach you exactly how to book calls and convert them from LinkedIn, even if you're not a sales pro. This will ensure you are set up to build an effective personal brand on LinkedIn, fill your profile with prospects, and be ready to launch out one of our free recommended revenue paths. Creating and filling a webinar, launching your 100K PDF, and high-performance social selling. You'll bring in new clients every month, opportunities flooding in your inbox, and also have a system that allows you to control your pipeline. Start attracting the clients you want when you want them. Through the years, we have tried, tested, and improved these LinkedIn strategies that deliver everything you need to go from a standing start to generating revenue on LinkedIn. This is our flagship course, updated as and when the platform changes, with new strategies coming into play to get you front of the market, taking your prospects from strangers to paying clients. You'll have access to over 80 sessions of focused training, providing you with the knowledge, tools, and implementation tactics you need to facilitate all levels. So enroll today and make six-figure revenue on LinkedIn happen for you.